Hello traders, welcome to my channel. FX Major is right here. So it's been a while I uploaded a video here. I just wanted you guys to take your time to study the last strategy I dropped on this channel. Okay, so now someone dropped a comment because I've been telling you guys to give me exactly what you want. Somebody dropped a comment on the last video I dropped that he wants to see this same strategy on VIX75. So I'm about to show you guys how my reasons for this trade. So this trade that is running now, I've given it to my people. I've given it to them. Okay, it's running in deep profits right now. I've given it to my VIP. I can show you guys the profit that is running on the VIP channel. Okay, and also I'll show you guys my setup or the reason for taking this trade, using the same strategy to take this trade on VIX75. Okay, so let me show you guys my VIP. Okay, so this is my VIP. You see this is the signal. This was the signal. Okay, that was the signal, right? So we're running profits. We're running profits, guys. Yeah, we're running profits. We're running good profits, guys. We have two trades that is running now. We have VIX10 that is running now and VIX75. So we are in good profits, right? Yeah. Now, my reason for this trade, it's very simple. It's very simple. Now, what you need to do is, first of all, you move to your daily time frame. So this is how I do my analysis. Let me delete everything out here. I think I should delete these ones up here and leave the one below, the black candles, trend lines, horizontal lines below. So I want to show you guys my reasons for this trade and how I've been doing my analysis. Okay, the first thing you need to do, please, I'm about to change somebody's life right now. You need to listen to this, everything I have to say. Okay, now when you open your chart, you move to your daily time frame. What are you doing on your daily time frame? On your daily time frame, you're looking for you're trying to make up a story. Yeah, you're trying to make up a story that will tell you exactly what the market is doing. So you're about to make up a story that's going to tell you what the market is doing. So on my daily time frame, I have something like this. We have this support. You can see the black horizontal line right there where market is just moving from, right? So that is my support. Then you go to the higher above there, we have a resistance here. Okay, and we also have another resistance in here around this level here, right, where market has been reversing. You can see that the market's reversed here before, reversed here and here. It's on the daily time frame. It might really not really show like that. Okay, so now we've gotten our confirmation. Though we are in a strong downtrend, you can also see that this was a key demand zone. You can see the strong bullish candlesticks printed around from this support, this demand level, right? So this is a demand level now. So now we've taken note of that demand level, that it's a psychological level on the chart. It's a very strong, it's a key level on our charts, right? So the next thing you need to do, so now, which means that market that is moving from here, that's the story. Market that is moving from this level is likely coming to this other level. Okay, it's likely to come to this other zone, this level or this level. Okay, now you've made up the story. That's the story. That's just the story that's gonna help you know exactly what to do. Remember, we are in a downtrend though, but we are on a strong demand zone, all-time low. This is our all-time low before markets went all the way up and back to this level to create this double bottom. Okay, to create this double bottom. So we are in a strong level. Let me check weekly. Okay, we are on a strong zone. Okay, so now we've gotten this confirmation. Now this is a key demand zone, and market is moving like this. It's likely coming to this point because this one that moved from here went to this point before reversing, then went above, and the same thing. So it's likely coming to that point, but at least it will hit this level. So you don't have to ignore this level completely. You need to take note of this level. That's why we have our TP1 here and our TP2. In case market successfully breaks here, we are taking profits here, right? That is one. Then when you, after doing that, you move down to your 4 hours chart. 4 hours chart. On your 4 hours chart, you're looking for the market structure. What's the market structure? Okay, so on the market structure, I think we are on a downtrend, so there's no need for us to even really talk about this. But in some other cases, you want to look at the market structure. This is a downtrend. This is a downtrend. Remember, I told you it's a downtrend, even on the daily time frame. But market is on the key level, but this is a downtrend. In some cases, if market was not on a very key zone, you'll be looking to sell. You'll be looking for selling opportunity, right? Okay, you'll be looking for selling opportunity, but this one, market is on the key all-time low, which means that is a very strong zone on our charts. Market is likely to reverse from here. Okay, it's likely to reverse from this level here. So now we've gotten that. So here is supposed to be for the chart pattern. Okay, let's check our VIX10. Okay, so on the VIX10, after identifying, making your story up on the higher time frame, when you come to 4 hours time frame, you want to identify the structure, the market structure. We have here, we have right here, we have lower low, lower high, and lower low here. We have another lower high. We expect market to create another low. You can see that. So that's the market structure. Then on the daily time frame on VIX10, daily time frame on VIX10, we have this bullish, this bearish descending who slice the channel, or it's a downtrend. It's a downtrend. You can see we have this arrow here pointing down, so it's a downtrend. Descending is a downtrend. So now on the 4 hours time frame, we could identify, we have completely identified the trend, the market structure. So now when you identify the market structure, know that you should be selling because it's a bearish structure. Okay, it's a sell structure, so you're selling. After that, you're going to your 1 hour time frame. You're going to your 1 hour time frame. In that case, you're going to your 1 hour time frame. On your 1 hour time frame, you're looking for those structures, levels, ranges where markets will want to sell from. Okay, so let's go back to VIX75 so it won't be too long. Now on the 1 hour time frame, we're looking for that candlestick. We're looking for that candlestick on the 1 hour time frame. That candlestick, remember, we're going back to where the market moved away from before, which is here, this level right here. This is where the market moved from. Okay, so we are coming back to this level to see the candlestick. The candlestick we're looking for, the bullish move. But our confirmation on the very higher time frame, we've seen long, strong bullish candlestick, 2 strong bullish candlestick. Remember, I told you if you see 2 to 3 strong bullish candlestick, that means that's a key demand zone. Okay, so we have key 2 strong bullish candlestick, and then on the 1 hour time frame, we could see this massive rejection. This is a rejection, massive rejection. That means that there's a pressure, there's a strong bullish pressure here. Then after the massive rejection, we had a strong bullish candlestick. After the rejection. So this is our demand, and remember, this is a very strong zone, which is the last low, the lowest low on this VIX75 charts. Okay, so now that tells us that markets will be going up this time around. So what do? We need to move down to maybe 15 minutes time frame to see the last down candlestick. Let's see if we'll be able to see that place on the 15 minutes time frame, the last down candlestick. Very good. So on the 15 minutes time frame, where is our last down candlestick? I think this is it. This is our last down candlestick right there. Can you see that? This one here. So we are taking this last down candlestick and to the low, okay, of this structure. Then we will track it into the future and wait for market to get to that point for us to find buying opportunity, for us to look for the buying opportunity, right? So that's it, guys. That's simple. Now market dropped into that point, got to that point. on the 15 minutes time frame. When markets go to that point on the 15 minutes time frame, what we're looking for now, we'll be looking for buying opportunity. I mean, pressure, buy pressure, looking for buy pressure. And where's the buy pressure? Here's the buy pressure. This very candlestick, this strong bullish candlestick, this strong bullish candlestick, this very strong bullish candlestick. This is where you make your entry, and your SL is the low of this structure. You make an entry here, low of this structure. You can still make an entry here, fine, but if you don't really understand the strategy, I think it's advisable you wait for market to get to this point, then you make an entry. You don't have to rush. Okay, you don't have to rush. And when you're making an entry, make sure that you manage your trade very well. Why? Because VIX75 is very volatile. VIX75 is very volatile. So it makes most sense to, wait for market to give you good confirmation. There's something you're always looking for, because when you're looking for a strategy, you want to trade a strategy. Your strategy should be well defined. Do you understand? The strategy should be well defined, that it gives you entry and gives you take profits and give you good risk to reward ratio and your stop loss level. Do you understand? It should not just be a strategy. It should give you all those things. So your strategy should tell you where to enter, when to enter, and when to exit the trade. So my own strategy could be here, if I really understand, because I really understand, I'm more experienced with this setup. I can take it from this level, but I decided to take it around this level. When I saw this market, I saw the next candlestick started dropping. I had to wait patiently for market to come back to this point, and immediately market broke this level again. I opened another position. I opened a position right there. I opened some positions there, and we started running profits. A little pullback and poof, back in deep profits, guys. Back in deep profits. So you can see it's running without looking back. Yeah, because market just moved from a very key zone. So this thing needs so much experience. It needs so much experience. So, and when you're trading a very lower time frame, risks little, else it will frustrate your life. Now, see where I entered my entry, and I had this pullback. If your capital was very small, okay, if your capital was small and you risk big, once it's coming down as if it's going against you, you start closing out and lose money. So I have a little account that I'm trading. I'm trying to move it to $100. I'm planning to do something. Okay, I want to come up with something that's gonna help every one of you, everybody. I would love to do like 10x movements or challenge. I wouldn't call it challenge. I think it's like a movement where all of us come together. You can fund $50, $100. That account, let's say you fund $100. The $100 you're funding, we are to take 10 trades, so we can we can risk just like $10 each trade. So that each trade you open is $10. So I'm planning to do that. Maybe that will be next month, first of next month. We need to start that to see. Let's see from now to December what's gonna happen. So if you want to be part of this program, what I'm planning to do, I need to put it together properly so that you'll be able to grow. I want to help everybody. No matter the smaller amount, no matter how small your amount, your capital is, you can make profits. That's what I'm trying to let you guys understand. So I'm trying to move this small account to $100. Let me show you guys. Okay, so here's this account. It's $16. Okay, let's see how much we can make, because this trade now that I'm entering is supposed to give me like $33. 33 plus 16 is almost $50. We move to $50, and let's see how we can move this account to $100. Okay, once we move the account to 100, we now look at moving the account to $1,000. $1,000. Okay, we can do this, right? We can do this from now to December. We're supposed to be counting in dollars, in thousands, right, from trading. So I'm really looking forward to work with you guys, right? To work with you guys. I'll look for a way to make it really profitable and helpful to every one of us that will join this program. Okay, Yeah, so you can see what I just did now. On your daily time frame, you make up a story, you create a story that will help you decide, make good decision on the lower time frame. Market that is moving from here went to this point. This one that's moving here is likely going to this point again, or even break this point and create a double bottom. All right, and remember, this is their lowest low. That's why you always cool for it to come to a very higher time frame like this. This is our lowest low. Then on the 4 hours time frame, talking about the structure, the market structure on the 4 hours time frame, you're looking for the market structure. Then on the 1 hour time frame, you're looking for those structures. So let's say we are in a, like as it is now, we are in a downtrend, strong downtrend. So you'll be looking for those structures like the highs. So let's say if we're supposed to, let me check the VIX10 again. Like this VIX10 here, we are now moving in a downtrend. This is a downtrend, right? So when, let's say when market was still here around this level, the market was trying to come up. As it was coming up, you're looking for those key levels, strong levels that market has been reversing from. Those ranges, you can see we had 1, 2, 3 strong candlestick here. So that shows that this is our supply. Then you wait for market to get to this supply level and take your profits. Do you understand? The same thing here. So that's what you would do. And then you go down to 15 minutes time frame to find the last up or down candlestick to take it as your POI, as a points of interest. That's simple. I know this video will be very long, but I think it's really informative and detailed. I want you guys to understand what is happening now. Trading is not really hard. What is hard is the psychology. So the program, what I'm talking about, these 10 trades or 10x trade, will be something that will really help our psychology as well. Okay, to really help our psychology. Okay, so I think that will be all for now. Please smash the like button, subscribe, share this video with friends so that they'll be able to learn as well and grow alongside with us, and also they get to know about the 10x trade, okay, that I'm planning to come up with. I'm planning to run with you guys. Okay, so I think that will be all for now. Join our free Telegram channel so that you won't be left out. All right, that'll be all. Bye bye.